If you have ever struggled to manage a grocery list when it comes to eating healthy for yourself and your family, you are not alone. I want to share some tips and tricks with you today about how you can easily manage a grocery list. Some things that will help keep it easy, simple, organized so that you don't lose track of things. Because if you've ever gone to the store and forgotten what you need when you get there, you buy too much, you buy too little, and you come home and you're like, I wanted to make that hidden veggie lasagna, for example, for dinner, and now I don't have something that I really need. So if you've ever been in that spot, today's video is for you. Hello and welcome. My name is Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here, and I hope that today's video will be valuable for you. While you are here, please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone else that you know is wanting to take their healthy eating up to the next level or just help their family eat healthier. Start with the end in mind. So truly the first thing is know your recipes. A book like this is awesome because it's a hidden veggie collection of recipe muffins. They have carrots and zucchini in them and a whole bunch of protein and other nutritious things that helps the gut be healthy. But these things don't happen overnight. What I find, have you ever heard that concept of reverse engineering? Like start with the end in mind. It's just like when you go on a family trip, you know where you're going, right? If you're going to Disneyland, you know your destination. Well, then the next step is reverse engineering. Well, how long is it going to take to Disneyland? Do I drive? Do I fly? Which freeways do I take? It depends on where you live, right? So same thing in meal prep. It's like, well, if I want to make these hidden veggie cookies, I have to have veggies to hide, right? So here's where we reverse engineer. The next backward step, if you will, is to have veggies available. This is spaghetti squash and carrots. I'm gonna make some cookies for my boys this afternoon, so I just wanted to show you literally what I'm doing. But the next thing is, how do I get the veggies in the first place? Thus, the grocery list. Find that number one, by keeping a running grocery list. Okay, now I like to do it on my phone. I'd be curious, how do you like to do it? If you're a paper and pen person or if you have it on an app somewhere, I just keep it on the app that I use for grocery delivery. That is one of the ways I have found that helps, and that's actually a question I get frequently is, Alicia, how often do you shop for all this hidden veggie meal prep stuff? Well, the answer is once a week, but I used to go to the store for that. I'm on to grocery delivery. So however works for you, I find that shopping once a week is enough to get some of those bulk items. Like carrots, for example, you can buy on sale at Costco in bulk, and they're, at least where I live, they're $4 for this huge pack of carrots. Probably 4 pounds of carrots. It's a lot. And I can food process that up and use it for a jillion cookies and muffins. And it saves time and it saves money and it ensures that all of us in our family are eating healthful, nutritious foods because I know where all the ingredients are coming from. That still leads us back to the grocery list. So a couple tips for you when it comes to grocery list. If you're not already doing these things, keep a running list. That's the first biggest thing I can tell you. As soon as you're out of something or you're running low of something in your kitchen, like carrots, for example, put it on your app or your list on your phone so that you know, oh, next time I get the groceries delivered or next time I go to the store, I need carrots. So that's the first thing. Keep a running list, keep it updated with what you need. Another idea, third idea, is to, at least the app that I use, there's multiple stores within the app. So I have a list. You want to find the stores that you like, right? If it's, Costco or some of the local stores by where you live, make sure that you have a list of things that you know you get at that store, okay? Like at the Walmart that I like to get a lot of produce at by my house, I specifically get the produce from the Walmart portion of the app, and then I specifically get like meats and other things from the Costco portion of the app. So the point is I have a running list on the app at all times so that when I come to that time in the week, for example, I do it every Friday, I get groceries delivered, and that way I know that I'm gonna have what I need for the week. So kind of big picture, you gotta know what you want to make, right? Like knowing your destination. You want to see the ingredients, of course, that you're gonna need, and then you're gonna put those on your grocery list as soon as you can. So it's like a running list of things that you get. I also want to encourage you, keep in mind that when you're going to the grocery store or keeping your grocery list organized, do your very best to make sure you've got protein on there, you've got carbohydrates on there, and you've got healthy fat on there. Now, if you want more information about what those are and how those look and how to balance them, I've got a lot of other videos about that, so I'm not going to go into detail on this video. I want to give you tips and tricks about how to manage the grocery list, and just to kind of keep in mind, you're in charge. You are the gatekeeper to your home, my friend, and so you have the power, the authority to choose what comes in your front door, to choose what comes in your kitchen. And you know what? What's so powerful about that is that you have that influence in your family's life about what kind of healthy food they're gonna eat or not eat. You don't have to buy the junk food. And frankly, I'd recommend that you don't buy stuff that you're probably gonna eat, to be perfectly honest with you. If you don't know my story, I lost 60 pounds in 5 months, 6 years ago, and I have done everything I'm teaching you in these videos to keep it off for 6 years. I just had to stop buying the things that I would eat in excess, like chocolate, unfortunately. But you find what's your little weakness or what your family seems to like is their junk food. And first of all, don't buy it. Truly, if you could possibly not buy it, you have the power to do that. Secondly, highly recommend that you find a substitute for it. That's how come I showed you this recipe book. Truly, I have done that for the last 6 years. Make fun, yummy, delicious, amazing versions of the junk food, but it's healthy. So when my kids ask for a second black bean brownie, a second peanut butter cookie, these have sweet potatoes and spaghetti squash in them. When they want 2 muffins, Mom, those are so good, can I have another one? You bet, kiddo. Man, these have carrots and zucchini. Here, have another one. Of course, it tastes delicious, so they like it. But that's the point, is that you have the power to do that. I just want to encourage you today. And if you want to go deeper into those macronutrients that I talked about, first of all, check out the other videos that I have here on my channel, but also there's classes available. Grab one of the on-demand classes, and that way you can go through that information on your own, okay? So thank you for being here. Again, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and share this with someone that you think it would serve, especially who's trying to eat healthier for their family and who maybe likes peanut butter cookies, okay? Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next one.